Hi my friends, how are you? I hope very well. In this video I will show you how to import voxel data inside Blender. You have to go to CT Scan Reconstruction, expand it, and in Select you will select Voxel Full Slicer. So in CT Scan Preparing you will open the directory with your DICOM files like this, accept, and click on Organize. Wait some seconds and in your terminal you see the informations about the DICOM files with the name of the patient, with the number of slices, and the name of the file with the slices. Usually you don't need to do anything because automatically the file will be organized. So the next step is click in Import DICOM Slices and wait a little because the system will send this information to Slicer 3D, an external program, and this program will decrease the size of the matrix of the DICOM file, and this decrease will be interesting because the rendering will be fast. After this, the slices will be imported, like you can see here, and like this step takes some minutes, I will stop a little the video and come back when the process finished. The import has been completed, so you can see the rendered voxel data here and orbit. But I like to hide the sagittal and coronal axis because the rendering is better and faster. So if you want to see more details on the edge of the voxel data, you can click here in Use Scene World, in Ambient Occlusion. In Ambient Occlusion you see more details like we can see here, and if you orbit and the rendering is darker, you can click in Use Scene World and the illumination will be better. If you want to change the density of the visualization, you can click, for example, in bone to see the bones, and look the difference without ambient occlusion and with ambient occlusion, because this ambient occlusion can be interesting in some computers if you have a good GPU. If you want to see details of the muscles, you can click in muscle, so you will see the muscle, some veins, and some interesting details like this. If you want to see the skin details, you can click here and see the skin with bright material. And if you want to come back to default rendering, you can click in default and you'll come back to the original configuration. You have this voxel boolean, this object. You can move this object in the scene and you will see internal details of the voxel data. You can move in all directions you want, like this, and if you want you can change the structure of this box. Okay, I change to face and I will extrude here. So you can explore this option to see a part, a detail you want in the scene. If I change to skin, to bone, you can see the details on the bone. If you move this, you see details in other parts, and usually is this the way you use this tool. Okay, I hope you think that this is interesting and download the add-on and start to use OrtogOnBlender. Thank you very much for the attention, a big hug, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.